From a small snowboard shop to a $10 billion e-commerce powerhouse, how did Shopify scale so fast? Let's break it down. Shopify began in 2006 when Tobias Lütke decided to sell snowboards online. Frustrated with existing e-commerce tools, he built his own platform, setting the stage for Shopify's vision. It wasn't just about selling snowboards, it was about creating a simple, powerful way for anyone to sell anything online. Shopify targeted small businesses with an easy-to-use platform and customizable templates. This allowed business owners, regardless of their tech skills, to launch an online store in minutes. This strategy attracted countless entrepreneurs looking to digitize their businesses and build loyalty. Shopify scaled its platform by adopting cloud infrastructure early on, managing rapid growth without sacrificing performance. They also built an app ecosystem, enabling third-party developers to create extensions, turning Shopify into a comprehensive solution for merchants. Shopify developed a thriving community of entrepreneurs, developers, and partners. Through Shopify Plus, they catered to larger enterprises and integrated advanced marketing, shipping, and analytics tools. Partnerships and solutions like Shopify Payments lowered entry barriers, facilitating business growth. In 2015, Shopify went public, raising $131 million and gaining significant attention. They continued to innovate with features like augmented reality, multi-channel sales, and a fulfillment network, staying ahead of the competition. Today, Shopify powers over 1 million businesses in 175 countries, supporting both solo entrepreneurs and global brands. What's Shopify's secret to scaling? A relentless focus on solving problems, investing in innovative technology, and building a supportive community. Shopify's success story is about empowering others to grow too. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more insights into the biggest success stories in tech.